Namaste and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're cooking something close to every Nepali heart, momo. Let me take you through the process. From mixing the mince to steaming the perfect dumplings. Let's begin. First, prepare the meat filling. In a large bowl, take your chicken minced meat. Add finely chopped onions, cabbage, garlic and ginger paste. Sprinkle salt, turmeric, chili powder, momo masala, cumin powder to taste. Add a generous amount of vegetable oil or you can use butter. Now mix everything really well using your hands until the mixture holds together. You can also use spring onions and a little coriander if you like. Lightly grease the steamer pan with oil spray. Place a spoonful of the meat mix in the center of each wrapper. Now fold gently and pinch the edges into any shape you like. Half moon, round, or pleated. I am making it round shape. It needs a bit of practice to make it into perfect momo shape. But don't worry, each one will taste just as good. Arrange the momos with some space in between. Practice makes it perfect. I'm still trying my best to get a perfect shape. Steam the momos over boiling water for about 12 to 14 minutes, or until they look shiny and fully cooked. Be careful not to overcook, as that can make the momos dry. Your hot and juicy momos are ready. Serve with spicy tomato achar or jol achar, and enjoy while it's warm. Perfect for any day, any mood. Today I am serving this with jol achar, which is my husband's favorite. That's it. Our homemade Nepali momos are ready. Juicy, hot, and full of flavor. Give this recipe a try and let me know how it turned out in the comments. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more comfort food recipes from my kitchen. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.